What up, Mr. Hip Hop Vegan coming with another video. Hopefully everybody's doing great. And today is day 16 of the NIPSEY HUSSEL challenge. In this video, what we want to talk about is love. I believe love is an important aspect of being successful. If you love somebody, give it 100%. They say, I was reading the book, was it The Millionaire Next Door? I forgot the name of the book. I think it is The Millionaire Next Door, where they talk about the people who've been married the longest are the happiest, and they did a whole, what do you call that shit? A whole survey about it. And they say most of the people who are millionaires are married to the person they've been with for the longest. So they correlated being married and being in love to happiness and being successful. So I in my opinion, I'm not in love yet. I've been, in the past and stuff like that, but I haven't been in a relationship in a while. Not because I couldn't, it's because I just didn't want to. Just focusing on other stuff like that, which might be a negative thing. The person who I was supposed to love probably just went away, or who I was supposed to be with, but shit happens, and that's my next move, to find somebody that I can grow with and live with and be with forever. Kind of dark in here. So that's my next move, find the right type of love, find the right woman in my life, so I can stop being selfish and grow with that somebody. So I mean, if you're with the right one and if you're in love, be in love 100%. Don't be in love part-time. Don't be on Instagram DMing all these women and stuff like that. Be truthful, and that's if you want to build something. If you don't want to build anything, then that's on you. But I believe, in my opinion, if you find that right person and you're in love, that person can only make you better. So day 15, find the right person to love, and stick with that person, and that goes vice versa, male and females, or whatever you do or whoever you love. So thank you for watching my video. Find the love in the right places and everything will be great. Peace.